Hi everybody! So I am here again to do another video, and this video is definitely going to be the Mishima one. I know you all have been waiting a really long time for the end of that video. So I did show the part of the process that's called the Mishima, where you have a color, you wax it, carve out the wax, and add another color on top, and it kind of allows you to layer multiple colors. And I was kind of going with the Greek mythology theme. So I wanted to make sure that I could add multiple layers of colors, but I never really got to finish showing you guys the rest of the process. So there's some things I learned later on down the road. I did do a couple other mugs with the Mishima technique. I learned some things so that if I revisit this technique, I will be better prepared to use it. And yeah, so we're just gonna go over how everything turned out and what I did to finish the mugs off, and yeah, that's what this video is going to be about. And then added on to that really quick, they will be for sale. I did sell some of my Mishima mugs at the art shows that I was doing, but I will still have a few of like the later Mishima mugs that I did that I'll show in this video. I still will have some of them for sale, and everything that I've done in the last two videos, so the Mishima and then kind of all the processes I showed for the stuff that I made in the art show, those are all for sale pretty much right now. So as you're watching this, I do have a shop, an online shop going, and have all those pieces available. I really only ship within the US just because I want to make sure I'm following food safety protocols, and then also shipping ceramics is like super expensive. So a lot of times when people are international and they want to buy my stuff and they ask me, I tell them what the shipping is and they're like, yeah, no. So unfortunately it's only available in the US. But if you'd like to support my art and stuff, make sure to join my Patreon. That's an awesome way to support the pottery and the teaching and these videos that I'm producing. So you can see it's a little more liquidy than my underglaze usually is. So we're just gonna go in and paint over orange. And then I went back over with the dryer sponge, an extra black hanging around off the piece. So you can see how it's just left a lot of that black in the lines that we wanted. want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I definitely don't think it's one of my favorite techniques to use. It's really hard with me in my studio and the fact that I don't really have a heated studio. So I'm really dictated by the weather a lot. And Mishima is not really one of those things that is easy to do when you're kind of dictated, when your studio is kind of dictated by weather. So yeah, but I hope you enjoyed them. I thought they turned out pretty cute. Like I said, I sold quite a few at the art show and stuff. People really liked them. So yeah, I want to thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!